Zoom Freak 7 Lunar Wolf, Giannis Antetokounmpo's latest signature sneaker, drops August 7, 2025, for $125. With an electrifying blend of deep navy, soft gray, and lime green, this bold colorway fuses futuristic edge with court-ready style. The translucent outsole hints at possible glow-in-the-dark functionality, though Nike hasn't confirmed it, while sculpted midsole lines deliver fluid movement. A metallic silver swoosh outlined in volt green dominates the sides, echoing the bright neon logo embroidered on the tongue. Knit and synthetic overlays add a subtle maze-like texture, enriching the shoe's upper design. Continuing the Zoom Freak series' dynamic DNA, this iteration offers a strong mix of texture, tone, and athletic functionality. Both performance-focused and visually impactful, the Lunar Wolf stands out ahead of the NBA preseason. Look for it at select retailers and Nike.com as the series expands its energetic legacy.